These are dangerous storms. Prepare immediately for strong winds capable of producing significant damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves and frequent lightning. If on or near Lake Wateree, move away from the water and take shelter. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways or walk through high water. Repeating, a severe thunder... issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in central South Carolina, northwestern Lee County in central South Carolina, Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, northeastern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Hagelin to Goodale State Park, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherraw, Hagelin, Chesterfield, Sherraw State Park, Northeastern Technical College, Cassett, Sherraw Municipal Airport, Carolina Sand Hills Wildlife Refuge, Mount Pisgah, Goodale State Park, McBee, Jefferson, Ruby, Patrick, Bethune, Mount Croghan, Lucknow, Chesterfield Ruby Middle School, North Central High School, and Sherraw Fish Hatchery. For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle